Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful crochet rose. Actually, the idea came from my workshop student. He was going to make a present for his friend, and then the idea was to make a rose bouquet or any flower. We decided to make this rose because the pattern is super simple for beginners, so you can make it just in 2 rows. We need 2 rows to finish it, and it looks awesome. If you need quick project, if you need beautiful flower, the pattern is simple, but it looks as beautiful as more complicated patterns. If you like this pattern and then you want to have maybe leaves or stem, if you want to make something more complicated, you can write in the comments below and we can make a really beautiful rose bouquet, or you can use it for sewing it on the sweater or any decoration. I used a lot of roses for decorating my amigurumi unicorns, and because the pattern is so simple, you can make it really fast and as many as you need. So for this one, you can use any cotton, any acrylic yarn, any yarn you have, and I will use rose so you can see stitches better. So the hook size must match your yarn, can be a bit smaller if you want the stitches to be a bit more, how to say, with the smaller hook you will have smaller holes. So I think if you go 1.5 size smaller, it will look better, but you can experiment and see by yourself based on your yarn. So as I told you, the pattern is super simple, and we will have just 2 rows, and you can make it a bit bigger or smaller based on the hook size and the yarn, and also you can chain more or less. So for this one, let's chain. I will chain 41, so I get a small one. This one I chain 51, so you can chain any number, but to make the video faster, I will make 41. So just chain like this, normal way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I meet you when I have 41. So I have chained 41, and now I'm going to insert my hook into the 3rd chain. So this is 1, 2, 3, and make 1 single crochet. Then I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and insert my hook, skipping 1 chain and moving to the next one. So you are a complete beginner. You must skip this one and move to the next one and make 1 single crochet, and we are doing this until the end of this row. Chain 2, skip 1 chain and move to the next one. So as you see, the pattern is very easy and the rose is really nice. So keep going and we meet when I finish this row. So I have finished this row, and now I'm going to chain 1, turn my work, and I will work with half double crochet. So yarn over, you have to go under chain 2 space. So find the chain 2 space of the previous row, insert your hook. You have 3 loops on the hook, make 1 half double crochet. So yarn over, and we are making another half double crochet into the same chain 2 space. Yarn over again, and we are making another half double crochet into this chain 2 space. So you have chain 1, 3 half double crochet, chain 1, slip stitch into the same chain 2 space, and you finish 1 petal. So now I move into next chain 2 space, make slip stitch, chain 1, and make another 3 half double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Then you are going to chain 1 again and slip stitch into the same chain 2 space, and you finish the second petal. Then move into the next chain 2 space, you slip stitch again, chain 1, and make another 3 half double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Then you are going to chain 1, slip stitch into the same chain 2 space, and you have 3 petals with the 3 half double crochet. Now we are moving, and all the remaining we will have 4 half double crochet and 5, alternating 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Just at the beginning we have 3, so it looks smaller and more natural, but all the other petals are bigger, so we will have 4 and 5 half double crochet. So slip stitch, move to the next petal, chain 1, and make 4 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. As usual, chain 1, slip stitch to finish the petal, and move to the next chain space to make another petal, chain 1, make 5 half double crochet into the same chain 2 space, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now chain 1, slip stitch, and move to the next petal. So as I told you, you have to make chain 4 half double crochet and 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5 until you don't finish this row. This is our last row, and then we will just sew the rows all together, like we will create the flower. So just keep going, and I meet you after I finish this row. So once you finish row 2, you have to find the beginning. Here where we have the 3 half double crochet, and we just go in spiral like that and create the rows. So just go randomly as you prefer. Make the shape that you think is more beautiful. It's absolutely up to you. And when you are sure about the shape, you can take the tapestry needle and sew it by poking to all the layers, so it cannot undo. Like here, I just made few stitches on the back, and it's perfect for sewing onto something else. So I just give you an idea. You must just go and try to get the center, then the other layers, and you just have to make really maybe 6-7 stitches so it can be really stable, cannot undo in the future. Just keep doing. So that's it for today. In less than 5 minutes you can make one rose. They have different sizes. This one has chain 51, chain 41, but you can experiment, make them even bigger. I think if you made several together they will look awesome as well. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Please put like, subscribe to the channel and comment under this video. See you again next time.